Hey guys, it's Matt from Outdoor Smorgasbord. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on flat tire prevention and some things that you can do if you have problems with flats, whether it's just small debris in the streets or here where I live, we have lots of thorns that cause people issues. So I'll give you hopefully a few prevention tips and then you can use what you want and go from there. So my personal favorites are the liners. There's lots of companies out there, Mr. Tuffy, Stop Flat. Those are the two of my preferred ones, but there are a couple other companies. They'll make all sorts of sizes for you. They're essentially just a PVC nylon liner that goes in between the tube and the tire that just creates an extra barrier for you to help protect against those pieces of, glass, thorns, different objects that you have. And then I like to couple that with a sealant. My personal favorite is the Flat Attack brand. I like it a lot better than Slime and some of those other brands out there. You'll put about 4 ounces in each tube, just depending on the size. But that's what I like. It works really well. It's got enough fibers to help seal up the tubes, and it's not super watery and thin like a lot of the other products out there. Another option you can do is the thicker tubes. They're typically about 5 times thicker than a standard tube, which does add a little bit of weight, but for most people it's not a huge deal. The hard thing with these is they are thicker rubber, but that's all they are. And so if you get a nail or a bigger puncture, it can still work its way through them. But if you don't have lots of those, and you're lucky, then you can use those for a fairly good option. The third option you can do is buy a tire that just has some pre-installed protection on it. So especially on like a lot of your road bike tires, whether it be Maxxis or Continental, they all have some sort of technology that's going to give you an added protection. A lot of them will have like a liner of some sort and then also a Kevlar weave in there to help give you that added protection. They're all going to have their different technologies, but they all work fairly well on the roads, and they'll give you some good protection. So I hope these ideas are helpful for you. Flats can be very frustrating, I know, but I hope that if you combine some of these methods that I've given you, it can help reduce your flats and help keep you out there on the road. But yeah, as always, if you guys have any other questions or comments or want to learn about anything else, just let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm pretty low-key. Like I said, I know I'm not a professional. I just want to help you guys stay out on the road and ride your bikes safely. Have a good one, guys.